guys, what's up? It's Bex, and yeah, I'm back with another video with some crazy hair. We're gonna do sort of a Valentine's or Galentine's Day look, but you know, you could use it and wear it whenever you like. And we're testing out this thing I saw on Instagram about using your Dyson and clipping it. So we will see how well that works. So without further ado, let's get on in. All right, we're gonna go in with some shadow shields because this look is gonna get a little messy. So today I have been invited to try out this new restaurant, and it's more of a sandwich shop, I guess, Vietnamese sandwich shop. I'm really excited. I'm taking my friend Shu, and I think we'll have a good time. He's not too excited though. I told him, I said, you're gonna have to take video. You're gonna have to take videos and some pictures of me. And he's like, So we shall see how that turns out. I might end up having to be my own camera woman. Oh my gosh, I keep getting my own hair stuck in this. So I know you guys will not notice on here because I had videos filmed in advance. However, you might have noticed if you follow me on Instagram that I did a little bit of a MIA, and that was because my cat Shadow, my black cat Shadow, and I'll put a picture somewhere up here. He died suddenly on Wednesday. I think it was January 21st or 22nd. So yeah, I just needed some time to so this is my first time back in front of the camera filming. So I appreciate you guys for being there for me and being amazing. Love you guys. You know, we're gonna go in with the tried and true. This is the P. Louise. This is her base in Rumor Zero. You guys have seen me do this time and time again, so we're just gonna fast forward through this. So for this look today, we are going to be using the Blood Sugar palette. Look at those beautiful colors. We're gonna go in with the color Sugarcane and use that as our base. Just pack it in there. So I'm really excited about trying out this new restaurant. Oh, I guess sandwich shop, but the thing that stinks though is it's all the way down in Henderson and I live all the way up in North Las Vegas, so it's a little bit of a hike, but if the food is delicious, I will drive. I will drive for delicious food. All right, now that we have our base and foundation all good to go, now we're gonna start working on this neutral eye look. We're gonna go in, and the picture is more of a neutral with a color pop at the bottom. I think I'm gonna go in with some cake mix. We're gonna do cake mix right in the crease. So how have you guys been? What's been going on? What is new? What is the 411? I have been busy working. Which was nice to be busy working because after Shadow died, I was just really a mess. And if it wasn't for the dogs, I probably wouldn't have got out of bed for a few days. Next shade we're gonna go in with Tongue Pop, still this nice fluffy brush, put it in the crease there. I'm gonna go in with more of a flat fluffy brush like this, put more of that Tongue Pop color in there. I'm gonna go in again with a little bit more of cake mix and kind of neutralize some of this pinky out because we want more of a neutral brown up top, it looks like. Actually, I think I'm gonna use a little bit of Ouch. This like taupey brown shade, Ouch. Yeah, so I was really honored to get to be asked to come and try this new food place out. Okay, I think this is good. Now she does have, let's see, a really shimmery, like right in here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use Icy Execution and really pop it in here. And she really has a lot. Yeah, I think I'll use like a dense brush like this and just kind of. And I think I told you guys towards the beginning of the month that Bob was attacked by a pit bull, which I'm not saying pit bulls are bad. I'm just, everybody keeps asking me, well, what was the dog? I almost said, what was the nationality of the dog? It was a pit bull. And honestly, I blame the owners for not training their dog because their dog has trauma. It's adopted. So I blame them wholeheartedly. All right, I am gonna put some more base on the bottom lashes to really get this to stick, because we really want this color packed in here. Ooh. All right, now we're gonna go in with a pretty dense brush. I'm thinking blood sugar might be the move. There's a little pink in there, so I'm gonna go in with cherry soda, which is a really pretty bright pink color. If it will pull up, it won't. All right, for the big reveal now. Ba-ba-ba-da. She has liner on her eyes. Let's try to put some liner on my eyes. All right, let's try this reveal. Picasso. I like it. I'm dragging it under a little bit so it's not so harsh. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna have to deal with this ugly one side. There's always one side that just doesn't look right, you know? We're gonna use the Danessa Myricks. It is her blurring balm powder. So we're gonna use that as a primer. Even though this bad boy, I don't know why, she doesn't wanna get with the program. And we're just gonna put it all over, y'all. And while that is settling into my skin, I'm gonna go get my Beauty Blender's damp, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution. This is the Skin Silk, and it's in the shade F4. I'm gonna go in with the tiny Beauty Blender, get very little, because I don't need a lot. I've tested this out and I really like it. I like this foundation a lot. And this little Beauty Blender really gets into these more precision places that I need it to go, such as under my eyes and those little nose folds of mine, around the eyebrow. I got too much on here, but when this is done, I'll do my eyebrows. It's just nice to have nice precision. And those little skin folds there. Now today, before doing my makeup, I did do a really nice mask by Pharmacy. It's their honeydew potion, I do believe. And I wanted more of that hydrating for my skin because it's dry, really dry here. So now I'm gonna go in with the wide part of my bigger Beauty Blender, dab it in, kind of make some bigger area dabs, whatever you wanna call it, and just pounce it in. I love that word. Just pounce. And I love that you don't need much. A little goes a long way with this foundation. And it still has that nice dewy finish to it. And then you take a close-up look with your mirror, see if you see any areas that maybe need a little bit more attention, which of course you can go in with this tip and pounce it out. Do want just a little bit underneath here. Get it close to my hairline. Kind of blend that in together. Kind of blend that into my neck a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the Becca. This is the Hydra Mist. Easily one of my favorites. I'm sad that her cosmetics company went away. And the reason I'm not using a blurring powder is I don't really feel like I need it today. Get a little bit in my lid here and just kind of dab like such. We're gonna go in with a smaller brush so that way we can ensure that under eyes is taken care of, because I really wanna set the under eye. Get definitely in my nose area. What do we think so far? All right, I'm gonna do some quick contour and blending, and I will be right back. All right, guys, I did eyebrows and blush and stuff like that all off camera. Did my lippy, and It looks similar to the lippy that she used, so we will see. Let me go take down my hair and get dressed and get going, and I'll see you guys here in a bit. All right, guys, I'm back. It is the end of the day, and this makeup look has held on really well through eating, laughing, and unfortunately crying. I went to go pick up Shadow, went to go pick up his cremations from the vet, and so I cried, and I even slept in this makeup. I took a nap because I just couldn't take it anymore. So let's zoom in and see how the wear test did. All right, so of course there's a little wear here from eating and whatnot, but the fact that this stayed on so well, I'm hella impressed. And look at how well this is just worn throughout the day. Oh, and the dogs also, Bob gave me kisses because he knew I was sad, so he licked away my tears. But look how well everything stayed on. And pores looking great. Everything just, it looks amazing. That foundation is for sure my favorite. Absolutely my favorite. I might play around with the setting powder. I might even try to find that brand setting powder and see how I like with that. But it's worn down very nicely, and my hair still has some volume to it. Not a lot, but it is what it is. But anyways, that is it for this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and leave me some love because I need it for what I'm going through right now. So I appreciate you guys so much. See you in the next video. That is chicken nugget that you're hearing and seeing, and yeah, well, you're in the way. Go sit over there. Thank you. How do you do your makeup, chicken nugget? And yes, my cat's name is Chicken Nugget. Boys, enough.